Many high-quality official pictures of both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 in all of their hues have leaked. The Z Fold 6 offers in 3 primary colors. First, the standout or hero color is this gray, which resembles the titanium variant of the S24 Ultra, though it is unclear if the Z Fold 6 has the same titanium build. For the first time, we got a close look at the inside display's bezels. They appear to be very similar to the Z Fold 5. However, the bezels on the outer screen have been significantly upgraded. The hinge has also been slimmed down this time around, making the phone even more small when folded. The Z Fold 6 will also be available in navy blue and light pink, which is a new for Samsung, as pink has never been utilized in the Z Fold series before. Aside from these 3 colors, Samsung will provide additional exclusive online colors in black and white. You can only obtain these if you purchase the device from Samsung's website. Next, let's discuss about S Pen support. The great thing is that the Z Fold 6 still supports the stylus. According to the leaks, the S Pen design has not modified much, but rumors suggest that it will receive several new S Pen functions with the Z Fold 6. One of these will be a sketch-to-image creation functionality similar to what Apple demonstrated. Samsung is giving users $50 in credit merely for reserving their next Galaxy, and one fortunate sign-up will receive $5,000. It's absolutely free. Simply join up with your name and your email address, and no credit card is required. You will receive $50 to put towards your pre-order later, and you can save up to $1,500 throughout the pre-order period. Samsung has uploaded some interesting content on their website, highlighting all of the advancements they have made with each successive Galaxy Z Fold generation over time. The Z Fold 6 will weigh only 239 grams, which is astonishing because it is practically the same weight as the S24 Ultra, and the thickness has been reduced to 12.1 millimeters. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.